Hi, today we're gonna learn about the tutorial on the formula of Microsoft Excel about some product. On this tutorial, we will discuss and learn together the formula of Microsoft Excel. It's a formula of some product. Okay. Here, for example, I have an example of item and weight and price. It's about fruit items. Indonesia is orange, apple, grape, kiwi, and lemon. So we need to know about the total sale here. Okay, sold, the total sold on this data. If you have the data like this, the most the easiest method to do this just use like this price per kilograms, for example, and then you make a column again in total price by multiplying the price per kilograms and weight. Okay, so the total price will be like this, and then a copy on track down, and then to know the total price, just sum, and then from the D2 until D6 to know about the total price here. And we will use like this if we do this total sale by or without making a new column like this. So with the formula of sum product, equal to sign sum product, and then open bracket, and then plug the first column about weight, and then comma, and plug the column of price per kilograms. Okay, so you need to multiply the files from B2 until C2, and then B3 until C, and etc. And after this, just close the brackets and enter. So the total sale will be the same with the total price that we made before by making a new column like this. And I think that with this tutorial, or with this method, with this sum product formula, I think that you can save your time 30 seconds, I think. And then you can use the sum product here. Why I recommend you to use this formula, because might be it is rare or it is seldom to use, but this formula is really as a help for you if you do your job on educations or your knowledge job with Microsoft Excel. So I think enough for this tutorial about the sum product formula. Hopefully this might be useful for you. Good luck for trying, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.